I finally got paid. This looks incredible. I'm buying it.
Your total is $500.
Worth every dollar. I love it. That jacket looks awesome. Thanks. I just bought it. You spent $500? Looks great on you. I bought this instead. You bought this? I use this every day. It makes money. It makes money. Not just looks. I earned this. My jacket can't. Tools beat fashion. Tools beat fashion. I got another client. Already? Skills keep paying. This is my work. I get paid. I get it now. Start small. I can do this. My future comes first. Incest. Start with one job. My first step. My first step. My first step. Keep learning. I got my first client. Let's do it. Let's do it. This is only the beginning. I'll do my best. It's finished. Great job. I got paid! Your first income. This was worth more. Another project? Let's keep going. Skills pay forever. I'm done. Ooh, that was fast. Best decision ever. I built this. It was just a jacket. This keeps growing. I built this. It was just a jacket. This keeps growing. I made one better choice. Skills changed my life. Invest in yourself first.